and professional technicians, so our veneer machine structure and capitals are good, and we use good and thick materials, super machine accessories, and good electric box and upgraded electric parts. So, our log peeling machine are strong enough to peel kinds of hard wood like beech, birch, and others, and can help you produce very accurate wood veneer with a smooth surface, which will help you create more value. Welcome contact us for more information of veneer machine. We will offer machine working video and details for you. Choose us. You need not worry anything. We will help you arrange all. We will offer you the better and suitable machine. 2 years warranty. Professional technical team at your service anytime. And hope that build a good and long-time cooperation. Shandong Minhong Wood Machinery Company Limited is one famous manufacturer of plywood machine in China, located in Linyi City, and is one of the famous plywood machinery manufacturers in China. Our products have obtained EU, CE, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, CCEP, and energy saving certification. Our company integrates design, research and development, production and sales, and cooperates closely with China's advanced scientific research institutions. We have a strong research and development team, and our machinery has obtained a number of national patents. Pay more attention to machine details. Details determine success or failure. So, we continuously improve and optimize machine performance. Strictly control each production step, use advanced lathe processing machines, and pass multiple inspections to ensure that our machines are accurate and durable. Technological innovation-oriented, quality-oriented, service-oriented, to provide customers with a full range of plywood production solutions and technical support. And our machines have been exported to more than 30 countries and regions, such as the United States, Russia, Poland, Ukraine, Portugal, Bulgaria, Romania, Turkey, Egypt, Morocco, Indonesia, and etc., and have received good feedback. With high-efficiency sales team offer 24 hours online service. The professional technical team and after-sales service team offer plant layout, machine drawings, and after-sales service. Choose us. You need not worry anything. We will help you arrange all. We will offer you the better and suitable machine. 2 years warranty. Professional technical team at your service anytime. And hope that build a good and long-time cooperation.